Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign into YouTube with a Google account and open channel settings. Click Create Channel and follow prompts to name it. Use a brand account if you plan multiple studios or collaborators. Add two-step verification and link a phone number to secure your access. Upload a profile photo and banner to establish studio identity and branding. Save basic channel info like description, country, and contact email for business inquiries. Confirm you can sign in and access channel options before continuing to set up. Open YouTube Studio from your channel icon to reach the dashboard. Visit Channel Customization and set layout, branding, and a channel trailer video. Under Basic Info, add keywords, links, and a clear business email for creators. Verify your phone number to unlock advanced features and longer uploads. Upload an initial video and add proper tags, description, and a thumbnail. Check Studio Analytics to monitor impressions, watch time, and viewer demographics as you grow the channel. Check monetization in YouTube Studio and confirm eligibility requirements first. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months. Link an AdSense account to receive revenue and note the 0 payment threshold. Apply for verification when your channel meets community and identity standards. Use settings, then permissions to invite managers with editor or manager roles for collaboration. Regularly review channel copyright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.